To fix playback issues on a music app, start by opening the App Store on your device. Locate the search button, typically found in the bottom row, and click on it to access the search bar. From there, search for the music app and download it. Once the download is complete, exit the App Store and find the newly installed app on your device. Identified by a red circle, open the app and log into your account to access its full features. To resolve playback issues, ensure you have a strong data or Wi-Fi connection. If the problem persists, try restarting your device, checking for system updates in your device settings, and clearing the music app's cache. For further assistance, go to the app's settings, usually found in the top right corner, and select your account. From there, you can access playback and restrictions options to optimize your playback experience. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve common playback issues. If you need more help or want to explore additional features, you can delve deeper into the app's settings to find more solutions.